Welcome to Module 12, the AI Era Skill Stack. This is where we stop treating skills like isolated little islands and start building a stack that can actually make you more valuable in the market. In the AI era, one skill is useful. A connected stack is powerful. A writer who understands AI, sales psychology, SEO, and analytics is not just a writer anymore. That person becomes a growth asset. A project manager who understands automation, client experience, dashboards, and communication is not just updating timelines. That person becomes operational leverage. Your skill stack is the combination of abilities that makes you useful in a specific, commercially valuable way. The goal is not to learn everything. Please do not become a wandering buffet of half developed abilities. The goal is to build the right stack for the empire you are creating. One primary income skill, several support skills, one clear direction. This is how you become harder to replace, easier to hire, and more powerful as a one person business. This module shows you how to think about skills in the AI era. We are going to define what a skill stack is, why it matters, how AI changes the value of your skills, and how to choose the combination of abilities that supports your income goals. The point is not to chase every trend. Trends are loud. Strategy is quieter, and frankly, she pays better. You will learn how to identify your primary income skill. Choose support skills that increase your value and avoid wasting months collecting random knowledge that does not connect to a marketable outcome. Your skill stack should help you to do four things: create value, communicate value, deliver value, and scale value. If a skill does not support one of those four functions, it may not belong in your first stack. Build the stack that supports the business, not the fantasy version of productivity wearing a cute outfit. A skill stack is the intentional combination of abilities that work together to make you more valuable. It is not a random list of things you know how to do. It is a connected system. For example, copywriting is valuable, but copywriting plus AI prompting, offer strategy, email marketing, customer research, and analytics is more valuable. Now, you are not just writing words. You are helping a business attract attention, convert interest, and measure what is working. This is the difference between having a skill and building leverage around a skill. A skill stack helps the market understand what you can actually do. It also gives you more ways to solve problems, create outcomes, and position yourself as a strategic operator instead of a task provider. Your stack should answer one question clearly: what combination of abilities makes me useful in a way people value? That is where your earning power begins to sharpen. One skill can get you started. A skill stack helps you compete. The AI era awards people who can connect tools, judgment, strategy, communication, and execution. Being good at one thing still matters, but the market increasingly values people who can use that skill inside a bigger business context. A designer who understands AI assisted prototyping and conversion strategy is more useful than a designer who can only make things pretty. A coach who understands content, offers, sales, conversations, and systems can create more leverage than a coach who only delivers sessions. An operations person who understands automation, dashboards, SOPs, and client experience becomes extremely valuable because they are not just managing tasks, they are improving the machine. The market pays for outcomes, not isolated effort. One skill is a door. A skill stack is the hallway that leads to revenue, trust, delivery, and scale. Your primary income skill is the main skill connected to how you will make money. This is the skill that sits at the center of your offer, service, business model, job advantage, or consulting path. It might be sales, copywriting, AI automation, project management, design, consulting, event strategy, marketing, operations, coaching, data analysis, web development, or another capability that creates real value. Your primary skill is the engine. It should be connected to a clear problem someone wants solved. Do not choose it because it sounds impressive on the internet. Choose it because it has market demand, you can realistically get good at it, and it connects to the type of work you want to do. A primary skill should not be vague. I like helping people is lovely, but it is not a skill. I help service-based founders build sales systems is getting closer. Choose the engine before you decorate the vehicle. Support skills make your primary income skill more powerful. They may not be the main thing you sell, but they help you market, sell, deliver, improve, and scale your work. If your primary skill is AI automation, your support skills might include process mapping, client communication, CRM setup, documentation, and sales operations. If your primary skill is coaching, your support skills might include content creation, offer design, sales conversations, community building, and curriculum development. If your primary skill is design, your support skills might include UX thinking, copywriting, branding strategy, AI prototyping, and client presentation. Support skills are the multipliers that happen over time. They turn you from I can do this task into I understand the larger outcome. And that is where premium value starts to enter the room, preferably wearing heels and carrying receipts. AI does not erase the need for skill. It amplifies the person using it. If your judgment is weak, AI can help you create weak work faster. Congratulations, you now have high-speed mediocrity. Very modern, very avoidable. But if your thinking is clear, your taste is strong, and your standards are high, AI becomes a multiplier. AI can help you research faster, draft faster, analyze faster, plan faster, and test more ideas with less friction. But you still need human judgment to decide what matters, what is accurate, what is ethical, and what is worth publishing, selling, or delivering. This is why skill matters more, not less. AI rewards the person who can direct it well. The better your skill stack, the better your AI outputs become. The machine can accelerate. You still have to steer. Here is a simple 5-layer skill stack framework. Layer 1, your primary income skill. This is the main value you provide. Layer 2, your AI leverage skill. This is how you use AI to increase speed, quality, creativity, or capacity. Layer 3, your communication skill. This is how you explain value, write clearly, present ideas, and create trust. Layer 4, your business skill. This includes offers, sales, pricing, client experience, and revenue thinking. Layer 5, your system skill. This includes templates, SOPs, workflows, automations, dashboards, and repeatable delivery. When these 5 layers work together, you become far more useful. You are not just a person with talent. You are a person who can create value, package it, explain it, sell it, deliver it, and improve it. That is a stack worth building. Let's make this practical. A solo AI automation consultant might stack process mapping, AI tools, workflow automation, CRM setup, documentation, and sales operations. A content strategist might stack writing, AI repurposing, audience research, SEO, offer messaging, and analytics. A premium virtual operations partner might stack project management, client communication, dashboards, SOPs, automation, and executive support. A course creator might stack curriculum design, teaching, AI content production, community building, sales pages, and launch strategy. A designer might stack visual design, UX, AI prototyping, conversion copy, brand strategy, and client presentation. Notice the pattern. Each stack has a primary skill, support skills, and a business context. The magic is not in having more skills. The magic is in combining the right skills around a valuable outcome. Choose support skills based on your direction, not your mood. Start with your target audience and ask, what else do they need in order to get the outcome my primary skill promises? If you are helping businesses get more leads, marketing strategy, messaging, analytics, and sales follow-up, that might matter. If you are helping clients run smoother operations, systems thinking, documentation, automation, and communication, that may matter. If you are helping people build a personal brand, content strategy, storytelling, offer clarity, and audience research, that may matter. Support skills should increase your ability to get results. Do not build a stack based on what looks fun this week. That is not strategy. That is intellectual snacking. Useful question. What skill would make my core offer more valuable, easier to sell, or easier to deliver? Start there. Random skill collecting is one of the easiest ways to feel productive while avoiding focused progress. You take a course on copywriting, then automation, then design, then podcasting, then investing, then email marketing, then something called quantum abundance funnels because apparently the internet was left unsupervised. Learning is good. Scattered learning is expensive. Your first goal is not to become a warehouse of disconnected knowledge. Your first goal is to build a marketable capability. A strong stack is focused. It compounds. A weak stack is random. It distracts. Before learning a new skill, ask, does this support my primary income skill? Does it help me create, communicate, deliver, or scale value? Will I use it in the next 90 days? If the answer is no, park it. Discipline creates leverage. A skill stack becomes valuable when you can prove it. Knowledge alone is not enough. Watching videos, reading threads, and collecting notes does not automatically create market value. Proof does. Proof might be a portfolio piece, case study, sample deliverable, client result, internal project, before and after examples, dashboards, automation, content library, sales script, strategy document, or completed system. The market trusts evidence. If you want your skill stack to create income, you need visible proof that you can use it. That means every skill you learn should eventually turn into an asset. Do not just learn AI automation. Build a sample workflow. Do not just learn content strategy. Create a content system. Do not just learn sales. Practice discovery calls. Skill without proof is potential. Skill with proof becomes positioning. Your skill stack can become your positioning. Instead of saying, I do marketing, you can say, I help service businesses use AI-powered content systems to turn one core idea into consistent weekly visibility. That is more specific, more useful, more memorable. Instead of saying, I do operations, you can say, I help overwhelmed founders turn scattered workflows into simple SOPs, dashboards, and automations. Now the market understands where to place you. Your stack tells people what kind of problems you solve. This matters because people do not buy your entire personality. Tragic, I know. They buy a path from problem to results. Your stack should make that path easier to see. When your skills connect to a clear outcome, your positioning becomes stronger. And strong positioning makes marketing, sales, and referrals dramatically easier. Let's look at one example. the AI-powered content operator. The primary income skill is content strategy. The support skills include AI prompting, writing, repurposing, audience research, analytics, offer messaging, and calendar management. This person is not simply writing posts. They are helping a business create a repeatable, visible system. They can take one founder idea and turn it into a newsletter, short form posts, video talking points, carousel copy, lead magnet ideas, and an editorial calendar. AI helps them move faster, but the value comes from the full stack: strategy, message clarity, format adaptation, and consistent execution. This is more valuable than I make content. The stack creates the offer creates the business creates the empire. Your skill stack should evolve as you get real feedback. Measure what is working. Which skills are helping you get results? Which skills are helping you attract opportunities? Which skills are improving delivery? Which skills are increasing confidence, clarity, or revenue? Which skills are mostly decorative? You do not need to keep everything. Some skills are experiments. Some become core. Some belong in the nice but not right now folder. The goal is not to build the perfect stack on paper. The goal is to build a useful stack through action. Every 30 days, review your skills against your actual direction. Are they helping you create value? Are they helping you get paid? Are they helping you build leverage? If not, adjust. Your stack is not a museum, it's a machine. Here is your action step. Create your first AI era skill stack map. Choose one primary income skill. Then choose 3 support skills that make that primary skill more valuable. Finally, choose one business skill you need to strengthen so the stack can actually turn into income. Use this structure. Primary income skill: what I will use to create core value. AI leverage skill: how I will use AI to work faster or better. Communication skill: how I will explain, write, present, or sell the value. Business skill: how I will package, price, sell, or deliver the value. System skill: how I will make the work repeatable. Do not overcomplicate this. Choose the stack, build proof, apply it in the real world. Skills are the bricks, systems are the structure, and you are the empire builder.